This procedure covers one commonly used method for removing surface mount J-lead components. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is advanced. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Apply a small amount of liquid flux to all leads of the component. Step 2. Place the tip directly over the top of the component. The extra solder on the tip will melt all the solder joints. When the solder has melted, slide the component out and up. It's difficult to know precisely how long to dwell prior to safely removing the part. This is complicated by the fact that when removing a bank of components, parts subsequent to the first come off much faster. Obviously, the smaller the part, the quicker it reflows. Small SMT components may reflow in a few seconds, and large SMT components may take more than a minute. On the smaller components, you can usually see solder reflow and can then sweep the component off and up. On larger components, it is wise to attempt to view reflow, but often this is not possible. If you cannot clearly see the reflow, very lightly rock the component to test for movement. If the component moves freely, then it is ready to be swept off the pads and lifted up. Once the component is removed from the circuit board, it can be removed from the tip by the shocking sponge or with a dull blunt instrument applying downward pressure on the component. Step 3. Clean the area